Hi, I'm going to make this a real quick video. If you watched my last video on how to make a bidet, if you're wondering how much the pumps actually cost, go to eBay, type in USB rechargeable water pump. Alright, now I'm going to assume you're in the United States. If you're not, you can check pricing where you live. The first thing I do is I always go to new. Right there, new. And before I do anything else, I'll hit US only. And free shipping. I always look for things with free shipping. And, you know, I always put buy it now, because I don't want to auction anything. And then I go up here and click where it says best match, and I go to shipping lowest first. And right here is another pump, almost like mine. It's $10.12. Then it goes to $10.26, $10.46, $10.94, and the exact one I have right now is $11.09. It was a little bit cheaper when I bought it. But once again, any of these will work if you're going to make a bidet out of them. This one right here would work. And looks like all they have here is white and black instead of green. That they're out of black, white, pink, green. So they have white and black. And once again, it's free shipping, and it's coming from California. Let's check this one. This one's coming from Texas, in Humble. So if you live in the South, this one would probably get you a whole lot quicker. All of these have one thing in common. Right here, where this piece goes in, it can come out. All of these are USB rechargeables. So if you're using it for a bidet, and you can tell right here, this is how they're supposed to work on top of these bottles. But you can use them on top of 1-gallon jugs. They will sit on top of, you know, pretty much anything that you have water in. If you have this and you're using it like in a big bowl, just set some type of lid on the bowl, lay it to the side, and run the hose down in the bowl. And I wanted to talk to you about something real quick. Alright, right here, like I said, this comes out. If you're going to make this, something like this, if you can possibly do it. Now, I built mine with junk I had around the house. Some old hoses and stuff out of an old coffee pot, some electrical tape, and a washer. If you can possibly do this, what I would do in any other case, if I thought about it, excuse me, and if I would have had the money, what I would have done was I would have went to an auto parts store. I would have taken this piece with me to an auto parts store and got some rubber hose that would fit that, 2 or 3 feet. And then I would have just left the pump sitting on whatever had the water. And then I would have ran the hose up underneath the toilet seat and then hooked my end up. Here's something right here that you can use for an end. It's just a pin. This end already has a cap on it. And if this won't fit, if your hose is too big, you just wrap a bunch of electrical tape around it. Put your hose on there and wrap some more tape around it. And then you put your holes in here. And this is just a regular writing pen. So, you know, you can do different things, but what I would do is if you're going to do this and you don't have the stuff I have, if you're planning on getting one of these pumps, take the metal piece to an auto parts store and get some hose that'll fit this. And that way this can actually be sitting on your bucket or sitting like on your bathroom sink, and you could just have your hose running from your sink. The hose to this can go in the sink, and then the hose coming down and out could go up underneath your toilet seat, and you just make a little end for it. You close it off, you put some holes in it. So these pumps aren't that much, and you know, if you can't get your hands on toilet paper and you don't have, I don't know, anywhere from 60 to 120 bucks for a bidet for your toilet, this is a good alternative. And like I said, any of these pumps will work. Every single one of these pumps are USB rechargeable. So let's go back to this one because it has a real good picture here. So even if your hose is hooked up here, to recharge this, all you have to do is unhook it right here and take it and recharge it with a laptop, with a computer, anything that recharges USB. My girlfriend's clock here has a small USB charger on it, so she could charge it off that. She has a battery pack for her cell phone, and she could charge it with that. So if you're looking for a cheap alternative to toilet paper right now, this is probably your best bet. But just remember one thing, a bidet will not get you perfectly clean. It will help a lot though. Once you clean off real good, if you have to, you can use a paper towel to dry off with. A napkin, a washcloth, anything to dry yourself off with. So, and these actually kick out quite a bit of power. And remember, the smaller your holes, the stronger the stream is going to be coming out. So, anyway, my batteries are going dead on this. I just wanted to show you these pumps do not cost a lot of money. $10.12 for this one, $10.26 for this one, $10.46 for this one. And once again, all of these are USB rechargeables. And the exact pump I have is $11.09. You do not have to get the one I have. You can get any of these. But when you go to eBay or Amazon, type in USB rechargeable water pump, and it will bring a whole list. And like I said, I always put something for new. I always put buy it now. I'm in the US, so I put US only over here on this side, and I always put free shipping. And then I'll go right up here where it says best match, and I always put shipping lowest first. And that'll bring up a whole list of these cheap pumps that you can use to make a bidet out of. Alright, anyway, I just wanted to show you it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. In fact, right now, for the price of toilet paper, I mean, look at toilet paper. I mean, it's ridiculous. And if I go to, here's what I get you. Most people buy at least 2 ply, so I'm going to put in 2 ply, number of plies, 2. I'm not even going to put number of rolls. New. US free shipping. And this is still set for lowest first. $5. One roll. $5 for a single roll. And this is free local pickup. This isn't even free shipping. This is free shipping here. 2 rolls. $6.99, and it's this cheap China, Japan stuff. Literally, that somebody bought from China, had it shipped over here, and they're charging, $7 for 2 rolls of this toilet paper. And this is, it's not the biggest roll in the world. So, If you don't have the money for toilet paper, I mean, they got the joke toilet paper for $7.31. They got the Donald Trump toilet paper. Personally, I'd rather wipe my behind with Hillary Clinton. And this is the novelty toilet paper. One roll, $7.32. So you're looking at $14.64 for 2 rolls of toilet paper on eBay right now. It's ridiculous. And I'm always going that's towels. All right, there's toilet paper, and you can tell these are not that thick. All right, let's go for a 12 roll. 12 rolls, $22.49. So basically, for 12 rolls of toilet paper, and this is from New York. So, let's go with 2 pieces. 2 pieces is $7.49. 4 pieces is $10. Well, it's $9.79. So, yes, can you find toilet paper? Sure. But I mean, some of the prices on some of this stuff is just ridiculous. That's fine. 2 rolls of toilet paper here, $10. It's $9.99. And I'm sure if you're out of toilet paper, you have already looked on places like eBay and Amazon and other places. Look at this. A single roll. And this is joke toilet paper with Trump on it. $11.61. So, if you want to buy one of these pumps and make you a bidet, hey, great. More power to you. I mean, look at this. $114 for one of the big jumbo rolls that they use at Walmart. $99 for this one. I'm like, what are they thinking? I wish eBay would actually come down on some of these people and, ban their accounts like Amazon did. A lot of this stuff is actually from China. So you're getting the China toilet paper. So if you want it from the U.S., you're going to be paying up the wazoo for it. Here's a 4-pack. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 4-pack. $23.90 for 4 rolls of toilet paper. I mean, can you believe that? 4 rolls. So if you're wanting to make you a bidet, there are various ways to do it. You can do it however you want. I found that the pump itself actually puts a lot more pressure, than having to try to hold the water bottle behind you and squeeze that bottle at the same time that you're sitting there. Some people can't reach behind them like that. So that's not an option for them. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the prices. I apologize for the quality. Hopefully the sound's alright. My batteries are dead again on this camcorder. Midnight's getting in the way. So, anyway, I hope this helps you out. I hope it gives you an idea of what you can do. And that's it. Everyone have a good one. Bye.